with digitalization is that this is it's really quite amazing how it will change for all of us. And even if we know that, it's good to get different examples so that you can put words on it, so that you can be as clear as possible as a leader, and so that you can both challenge and make people enthusiastic about what's happening. I work with service, and we have an enormous amount of intelligence with all our people spread out around in the world. And we of course also have the possibility to capture data from our hardware and so forth. And all of this put together obviously gives us an enormous opportunity. And this is what I think everybody wants to make the most out of. And this is where we have to venture into capitalizing on that. We have to have a clear openness in how we test and do things, that we can read off things, and that we can, what we learn will have to be put into use, and then we learn something new. So it's a bit of trying, failing, and then continuing. So I think strategically we have a base of where we want to go, but the way to go there with much more information and different information might actually then means that we have to be agile in changing our ways of going to our goal. I think it's being extremely curious of how new ways of picking up competence, data in combination with experience, that is new ways of working. So that's our most important thing to attend to. I come from the service side now, so I obviously see that the fact that there are so many different situations that occur with equipment and systems at our customer's place gives our support organizations and service organization an enormous opportunity to help our customers and give them a higher customer satisfaction. So that's where I'm coming from, that's where I see it. Mm-hmm. The possibility of having information and data and history and all of this obviously comes in some kind of digital form or through systems. So I mean, the hardware has to be there in order to produce what we are producing for our customers. Yeah, the change and the content of the information around our equipment is increasing, because that value is increasing with the customers. This will help them utilize the hardware in a much bigger way. So there are a lot of values that is being provided by making sure that the software is in line with what our hardware is doing and gives that response. Our organization have to continue to be agile. I think it is an organization that is very much connected to both customers and communities around. In order to be able to provide value, you can't just trust that you as an individual or you as a team have all of those answers, but by collaborating, that value can increase. First of all, I think we really look at sustainability as an opportunity more than a challenge. With Alfa Laval, I think the biggest opportunity is the sustainability that we can help our customers with. Of course, it has to start with us also, but it is at our customers' place we do the most, we give the most, with the reuse, with energy efficiency, with reducing waste. So all of those sustainability challenges, they're there out at our customer's place. Understanding the real value in the sustainability situations that our customers have. So it's a lot about holding the dialogue and understanding, listening to our customers. Yeah, the reason for a skill gap, I think we can see things on a very high level of sustainability targets, but it could be hard to bring it down to very tangible results. And this is of course results for the environment, but it's also results for customers that is part of their targets, whether it's financial targets or sustainability and environmental targets. We make efforts in training now so that we can put the right questions and so that we can listen in correctly, so that we can understand what the sustainability targets are and what is most important, so that we develop where we need to develop and that we explain where we need to explain. We need to make any change a fun change, and I think that many actually find digitalization very exciting. It's being a modern and being looked at as being a modern company, even though we've been here more than 130 years. And I think we have a very good chance of doing that combination of utilizing experience and trust and lots of good quality deliverables that we have, but then have the more modern interfaces to that, which I think the digitalization is providing us, and people want to work with that, but they want to have an understanding of what can I do to make some of these fun things happen.